to all of my good people out there. The mail has ran and it is time for another product review. This new item that we have is from NB Tech and it's called Amazefan Fitness Pull-Up Bar. And I will be giving you a link in the description of the video if you want to purchase one. Anyways, this is going to be the unboxing and the review. Now I have my handy dandy knife and I'm going to stand this box up this way. Now this has tape this way. I've already got the blade out. I'm just going to cut the tape, cut it this way. I'll lay the knife down. Be careful because you don't want to cut your fingers off. You don't need a trip to the emergency room. And this is what it looks like coming out of the box. If you can look down here, see this is lovely. And it's in bubble wrap. It's all nice and neat. And if you can see right here, this is instructions. And this is what you're going to want to use to put it together. Because, you know, it's just a good thing. I'm not saying nobody has common sense, but this will tell you exactly how to put it together. So you take, these are laying on top of it. These right here, these nylon straps. And then you take it out of the bubble wrap. And then you notice you have all of these parts. These extra grips right here. And put that right there. And then this is what it looks like. This looks like it's going to be able to fold out or something. And this is the hook. This right here is the hook. If you have a punching bag that it's going to be able to connect on up to. So that was the unboxing. And here is everything. Here's a summary of everything that came in the box. We have the fitness pull-up bar. We have more extra grips. And we have these tether straps right here. And we have one set of instructions. Next, we're going to put this together and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, now I'm by far not an expert and I don't know everything. So that being said, I learn things every day. So I'm reading the instructions and it says push down right here because it has a spring. I'm going to push down and it says pull outward like this. And what you know, it works. Alright, and then it's going to look something like this. It almost kind of looks like a grill on a Dodge truck. Anyways, let's see what the next step is. Put. That was opening the hooks. Then step 2, put the door guards on. Okay guys, the next step is this, and it's really simple. Inside you're going to have these little plastic pieces. It's kind of flat right here, and it's kind of round and cylinder-like. Okay guys, the next step is this. You're going to have 2 of these in the box. It's going to be flat on one end, and it's going to be cylinder on the rest of it. These are called door protector blocks. And with your bar facing down with the Amazefan Fitness logo facing like this, you're going to want to just slide these over on the bottom bar. Just like this. They slide on. And you slide both of them onto each bar all the way until it touches up against the next bar. And here they are. See, I'm pointing them out with my fingers. And then you're ready for the next step. Okay everyone, the next step is this. You take the side that has these racks pointing outward, and I believe this is a regular size standard door, and you're going to put this in and up behind the door facing, and then you're going to let it latch on, and then you take the door protectors, those plastic pieces I was telling you about, and put it up against the facing of the door. You want to center this, and this is going to keep it from scratching the door. And you want to just kind of tug to make sure that it's on there properly, and it is. And then you're ready to do some pull-ups, or you see how this has a hook, you're ready to hang a punching bag. Okay, once it is installed, you are then ready to do a pull-up. Can you do pull-ups more than one?
Yeah, but I'm not going to.
Okay, so you can see that the pull-up bar is sturdy, it is installed, and it is a very good product. I would rate this product at least a 9 out of 10 stars.